Here I have a 2020 Transit, and I'm gonna show how to remove the spare tire because it's a little annoying. Here on the driver's side back is where the crowbar is hidden, behind like some plastic panel, and you need that crowbar because right here, there's like a little Allen, and you insert your crowbar in there, and then you start turning all the way until your spare is down. I like to turn it all the way so I have some room to pull it out and work on it, because it has like a funny little mechanism here, that you have to unscrew, and then you have to take out a cable. So here what I circled is that's the little thing you have to screw off. I used a pair of pliers because they were super rusty. And then here I turned the tire on its side, to take this plastic piece off, and then you have to get this cable to turn 90 degrees, as you can see here. And then once the cable is disconnected from this little thing, you can take off your spare tire, kind of like that. Because this was rusty, I had to mess around with it for a while. It only took me like 20 minutes, but still it's very annoying. If it's all new, it's pretty easy. But yeah, hopefully this helps you out. Let me know if you have any questions.